Hello everyone, good evening. This is our project Marlin 4th Avenue, and you can see this is a model apartment of 3 BHK, approximately 1350 square feet sellable area. And you can see this is our miniature model, and this is the actual model flat. So you can see this is the main entry door, and see the ceiling height. These ceiling heights are around 11 feet, and to mention you that these apartments are fully air conditioned, so fully central air conditioned systems will be given to every apartment. And you can see the space of the living cum dining area. It's a luxury segment, so you can see the living cum dining. The living area is around 16 feet by 20 feet in breadth, and the dining area is around 15 feet by 16 feet, almost a square size. So it's a living cum dining L pattern. And with this living cum dining, you can see this is the open terrace area. So this is the open terrace area, as you can see, and look at the outside view. This is Salt Lake Sector 5, and this all water body is situated on Bidhannagar municipality, Salt Lake Sector 5. And these are the IT hubs. You can clearly see the IT hubs from the open terrace itself. And in front of you, you can see this is 6-lane expressway of Salt Lake Sector 5. And this is the land area where our towers will be coming. 2 towers, G plus 25 towers will be coming on this portion, just beside that 6-lane expressway. And these are the nearby buildings. You can clearly see from the terrace area. We are standing on the 9th floor, and these buildings are of G plus 25. We have already handed over phase 1. There is no availability as such, so we are offering these 2 towers. These 2 towers we have launched, and the name of these towers are Marlin 4th. So now come this side. So this is the kitchen space. See the space of the kitchen. Approximate size of this kitchen is around 12 feet by 7 feet. And now come this side and see the height again. So this is the lobby space, and just on my left hand side, this is the first bedroom. This first bedroom is having a size of 14 feet by 12 feet. It's a very good size first bedroom, along with the wardrobe space, big size wardrobe space. And from this window also you can have a look of the city outside. Great view of the city, Salt Lake Sector 5. And now come outside again. So this is the lobby again. On my right hand side, you can see this is the common toilet area. This is extra space, and this is the common toilet area with glass partitions, door, wall mount commode, and the basin area. The size of this common toilet is around 8 feet by 6 feet, and this portion is extra. And now just opposite to the common toilet, this is master bedroom. or bedroom number 2. So from this side you can see the size of this bedroom. So this is the dressing area, and this is the attached toilet space. The space of this toilet is around 8 feet by 5 feet, with separate space for bath, with glass partition door, wall mount commode and the basin area. And see this side. So this is the room space. The size of this room is approximately 16 feet by 13 feet. It's a luxurious room with having windows on both the side. You can see very big windows. Not only that, a huge wardrobe space with this bedroom. And from the window you can see the view outside. You can see the total water body view. And this is the front gate in front of the project. And just opposite to the water body you can see this is Salt Lake Sector 5 IT Hub. And see from this window you can clearly see the water body and the roads connecting towards the bypass, Eastern Metropolitan Bypass, Navodikanto. So now come again. So we are now entering into the third bedroom or the second master bedroom. You can see this is the third bedroom or the second master bedroom. So on entry again, this is the dressing space, foyer area, and here you will be having a toilet space again with separate space for bath, wall mount commode and the basin area. The size of this toilet is approximately 8 feet by 6 feet. Now this is the bedroom, and the size of this bedroom is around 14 feet by 14 feet. It's a square size bedroom with a huge wardrobe space. And see the luxury and beauty of this bedroom. And just to mention you that these are the wooden floorings. And again to mention you that this is fully air conditioned apartments. So all the AC fittings will be given. So hope you like this video. Now I want to explain you about the model of our Merlin Fourth. So this is a model where you will be having 3 BHK and 4 BHK apartments. So these are all 3 BHK apartments, all with open terraces, and on the rooftop you will be having a infinity edge swimming pool. Just under that you will be having gymnasium and the community hall space. All the facilities and amenities will be given on the rooftop. As you can see, this is the rooftop area. All the facilities and amenities will be there on the rooftop itself. And this is odd even concept in the balcony. And the basement car parking will be there. 2 number of basements will be there. Basement number 1 and 2. And on this portion we will be having the 4 BHK. So these extended flats are 4 BHK flats. Basically these two types are 4 BHK. These are the 4 BHK and these are another 4 BHKs, and rest are 3 BHK flats. And see, every open terrace is having jacuzzi. With that you can clearly see that these are the jacuzzi spaces. With every open terrace we will provide you jacuzzi. And this is elevated garden and see the facilities. And these ponds, whatever you have seen, these will be decorated. It's a decorated water body spaces. So hope you are enjoyed this video. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Please share and subscribe our channel for further updates.